Can you eat carrots on the keto diet? Non-starchy vegetables play a big role on the low-carb, high-fat keto diet. On this diet, net carbs, which is the number of total carbs minus fiber, are generally restricted to 25 grams or less per day. Many people on the keto diet spend a large amount of their daily net carb allotment on low-carb veggies like zucchini, cauliflower, avocado, broccoli, and salad greens. However, you may wonder if carrots are appropriate to eat on the keto diet. This video reviews the carbs in carrots, whether they can be eaten on keto, and some keto-friendly alternatives. Carrot carbs. Carrots are considered root vegetables because the carrot itself is the root of the carrot plant. On the other hand, some root vegetables like potatoes are tubers, or the storage site for the plant's natural sugar. Because carrots are a root, they lower in sugar and carbs than tuber vegetables like potatoes. One medium raw carrot provides calories, 25. Protein, 1 gram. Fat, 0 grams. Carbs, 6 grams. Fiber, 2 grams. Net carbs, 4 grams. Additionally, 1 cup, 122 grams, of sliced raw carrots contains calories, 50. Protein, 1 gram. Fat, 0 grams. Carbs, 12 grams. Fiber, 3 grams. Net carbs, 9 grams. While carrots aren't as low in carbs as leafy green vegetables like lettuce or spinach, they're not as high in carbs as many other root vegetables. So, raw carrots contain 9 grams of net carbs per cup, 122 grams. Although they're not as high in starch as other root vegetables, they're still higher in carbs than many non-starchy vegetables. Can carrots be eaten on keto? As you can see from the nutrient content of carrots, they can be eaten in small quantities on a keto diet. However, you'll need to stick to a reasonable portion. With 1 cup of carrots containing 9 grams of net carbs, a single portion can use up nearly half of your net carbs for the day if you're aiming for a standard allotment of 25 grams of net carbs daily. The cooking method of carrots doesn't affect their carb content significantly, so they can be included raw or cooked in reasonable portions on the keto diet. So, carrots can be part of a keto diet. However, given that they contain moderate amounts of carbs, you'll need to strictly limit your portion size. Carrot alternatives. This are some lower carb veggies to eat raw or use in recipes instead of carrots. Celery contains 2 grams of net carbs per cup, 120 grams. Broccoli contains 3 grams of net carbs per cup, 71 grams. Cauliflower contains 3 grams of net carbs per cup, 107 grams. Like carrots, each of these veggies can be eaten raw or added to recipes. So, some lower carb substitutes for carrots include celery, broccoli, and cauliflower. These veggies can be eaten raw or cooked, making them fair alternatives to raw or cooked carrots. In the end, carrots can be eaten on keto, but it may be difficult to include them regularly or in large quantities, as they contain a fair amount of carbs. Some less starchy alternatives to enjoy raw or cooked include celery, broccoli, and cauliflower. That said, when it comes to getting adequate nutrition on keto, carrots are an important source of vitamin A, which is important for skin, hair, and eye health, providing significantly more vitamin A per cup than celery or broccoli. Remember to stick to a small portion of carrots when you're enjoying them on keto and consume a variety of vegetables to meet your nutritional needs. So, if you need to find more about keto diet, and how you can use it to weight loss or change your diet, just click the link in description below. That's all, thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and the like button. And take care.